Trigonometry solution. Sine 165. Sine 90 plus 75. Then sine 90 75. Sine 45 plus 30. Sine 45 cos 30. Sine 30 cos 45. Sine 30 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 35 30 is root 3 by 2. Half 1 by root 2. Then root 3 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 3 plus 1. Answer. Was this real as this? All of you are progressive minded civilized human being. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. All of you was this and real as this and recognize me as a science teacher. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. I must be grateful to you if you subscribe me. Thank you very much. Trigonometry math solution. Thank you very much.